Let's sketch the graph of f of x equals 6 minus 2e to the power of x divided by e to the power of x by finding a domain of the function. It's a fraction. Domain of a fraction is all real numbers, but the roots of the denominator. Denominator of the function equal to 0, e to the power of x equals -1. No solution, meaning domain of the function is all real numbers. X-intercept. To find x-intercept, y must be 0. If a fraction is 0, numerator of the fraction is 0, meaning 6 minus 2e to the power of x equals 0. Therefore, e to the power of x equals 3. X would be line of 3. Line of 3 and 0 is the x-intercept, and for y-intercept, you simply replace x by 0, you get 6 minus 2 divided by 2, which is 2. Equation of asymptotes. If x approaching negative infinity, e to the power of x approaches 0, therefore y approaches 6. And if x approaching positive infinity, e to the power of x approaching positive infinity, therefore y approaches -2, meaning you have two horizontal asymptotes, y equals 6 and y equals -2. The denominator of fraction has no root, therefore there is no vertical asymptote. Interval in which f is increasing or decreasing. In order to find out if a function is increasing or decreasing, what we do, we draw the sign chart for the first derivative of the function. First derivative is given, and if you look at this, it has no root, and it's always negative, meaning function is always decreasing. When x goes from negative infinity to positive infinity, function is decreasing. No relative maximum, no relative minimum. Interval of upward or downward concavity. We do the same thing, meaning we draw the sign and chart for the second derivative. Second derivative is given here. If you set it to 0, e to the power of x is 1. Numerator 0, e to the power of x is 1. X is 0. Less than 0, you pick a number, plug it into the second derivative. More than 0, pick a number, plug it into the second derivative. If you plug any number more than 0, you get a positive number. And if you plug any number less than 0, you get negative. Therefore, for x less than 0, function is concave down, more than 0, concave up. 0 and plug 0 into the original function. We already done it. 2 is point of inflection. The last step is putting all this information together and sketch the graph of the function. There is no vertical asymptote. We have two horizontal asymptote. One of them is y equals 6. And the other one is y equals 2, -2. When x approaches negative infinity, y is close to 6. When x approaches positive infinity, y is close to -2. X-intercept is line of 3, which is a little bit more than 1. And y-intercept is 2. You have a point of inflection at 0 and 2. Before 0, it is concave down, this way, and after 0, it is concave up. If you put all information together, you have a graph like this. So, domain of the function is, as you know, are real numbers, and range is, by looking at the graph, between negative 2, and 6. Thank you.